Well, I found it. So here it is. Don't tell me I lost my glasses. I got those special glasses on so I can see in there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but in my last video, I kind of showed you where they were. And I can see them, but don't know if this is going to work. I need some more light in here. It's crazy. Let me go get my other little tool. My camera. So long. So I'm taking my camera. You guys can't see that. That's all right. I'm the one that needs to see, not you. And I'm looking down there, and I can see that camera lip right there. The problem is catching it. That is the problem. That's the problem. Catching it. Oh, I can't do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gotta be done. I might have to get a longer battery. The expander tool. Because this one I got is full of it. Be right back. Oh, snap, excuse me. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's much better. I might even be able to see without these things. Oh yeah, I can see it really good. I wonder if I can clip hold to them jokers though. Alright, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it. I think that's the bad thing about fooling with transmissions. It's a little bit more than left on and left off. Left on and right on. Or right on and left off. It's a little bit more. Can you use the special tools that you got? But this is not big enough. It's not opening up wide enough. Well, let's see if I could. Let's see if I can use my skills of creating stuff.
Look like this thing will go pretty wide open. Looks like that'll go really wide open. But I have to be able to get the tool on there before it'll go open. And if I have to get another tool, 'cause these little tools, I think they really cost. I don't know how much it costs. I've had this joker for so long. What you hear, Romeo? I hear that dog. Now that should be wide enough. But the question is, can I get it on there? Let's see.
Let's see if I can get it on there. I can see it. But it's not wide enough. It's not good enough.
Right, let's keep trying. I'm going to switch it to another tool. See what I got to go through. Take that off. Take this off. Then let's get one of these contraptions. It's both the same. Put this mug on here. Where's him? Hey, honey. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
What's up?
Just watching the show.
I thought you may have been trying to hypnotize me or something. Let's see. Did he find him an apartment?
Still looking. Taking a tour of the Elysian.
What side of town is he on? Talking about Danny the Medic. He online. Go look at him, y'all. Travel dude here in Vegas.
He's looking like he in the hood.
I'm sorry.
The middle of Vegas.
In the center.
Oh, God. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, yeah, looks like this might work. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, man. I don't think that's gonna work either, guys. Well, maybe out of luck. Unless I could put 2 small screwdrivers on there. That is not going to work.
What are you doing now? Alright. Well, let me see. I have to use my imagination if I want to get that thing off tonight. I don't have any picks. I got screwdrivers. The only other way is to really get down in there. See if it'll work. And if it doesn't, then I'll have to get a tool that's a little better than the one that I have. Nice little light, huh? Okay. I know y'all can't see. All right. All right.
So I'll take these 2 screwdrivers, sit them down in there and see if it'll work. Get that light stay out of my way. Okay. Okay, that's, I got my screwdriver on one. And it's moving. Yeah, moving, yeah. It moved off. Pull it out. Yeah. Just might work. Just might work. Let's see. Yeah. The problem is I'm gonna get that joker back on. Okay, it looks like it's off. It's coming off. Just I need to just work my way around it. Coming off. Oh, screwdriver. Now, if I had a good pick, you know, I could use one of those other little tools that I made from a hanger. Yeah. Pick. See what I made from here. Reach in there. Grab that joker. Cause it's off the edge. I just gotta creep it around. And it's hard to see because that doggone thing is in the way, plus my eyeballs are bad. Let's see. Alright, let's see if I can pick that joker out of there. Cause the screwdriver got it started. And if I can pick that joker on out of there without bending it, might have something. That one's too big. Here, Romeo. What are you sniffing on, boy? Something. Eating his food. You gonna get another one? He brings his food out one at a time. I think he wants me to eat it. He's trying to see if I'm gonna eat it and bring it out here to me. Got that fatherly thing going on, I guess. Okay, let's see now. Let's get her done. Alright, it's coming. I got it. Yep, it's coming, guys. So, that's what my stamp. Alright, now I need need another tool, like this screwdriver here, to continue to pry it off. I'm gonna widen it too bad, you know? That's the deal, they get frustrated. Okay, take that out. Man, y'all should see what I'm doing here. Wish you could. I got a camera on. Put that little camera up in there. Let's see if I can get a camera person in here. Hey, Brown! I could use your help.
Okay.
Don't get Brown on the scene in here. Sugar brown sugar. The brown is sugar. This side of Mississippi. Alright.
Yes.
I would like to know if you would like to be a camera person. Here, let me see. Hold on a second.